Now, that was transaction on day 16 in the CAJ. 19th, settle the outstanding account with Khumalo Traders. Check 100 is issued. Okay, so that's C. That's number C, or that is journal CPJ, cash payments journal. Settle the outstanding amount to Khumalo Traders. Okay, check number 100 is issued. Now, Khumalo Traders, what did they owe at the beginning of the month? Let's just have a look at that to be able to know what amount this must be. So Khumalo Traders, there was 12,500 that we owe to Khumalo Traders, okay, from the opening balance. Okay, so where do I see Khumalo Traders name? So there's Khumalo Traders, so there's another 7,000. I buy on credit, so it's plus 7,000. It increases his account. Okay, then thirdly, where do I see Khumalo Traders again? 4,000 Rand value that was given back. So the account must become less by 4,000. Okay, must become less by 4,000. Right, so settle the outstanding account of that. So if I add that together, it's 19,500. 19,500 minus 4,000, so it's 15,500. So the check that I'm writing out should be 15,500. So I'm going to the 19th now. To the 19th now, and there it's renumbered to number 100. Day 19, Khumalo Traders is creditor number 3, and the amount that I'm paying is 15,500. What am I paying for in cash? I'm paying a creditor, so I'm putting it in creditors control on the 19th. Okay, so that's how. Just go and look again. How did we get to the 15,500? Okay, so now the 21st. Buy equipment to the value of 30,000 Rand from Droop Shops. Receive an invoice. Okay, so Droop Shops again is a creditor number 1, and we buy it on credit. So if there's an invoice and we buy on credit, it's again in the CJ. So I'm going to look at the CJ now, and I'm going to write in the equipment in there, invoice 252, and you're going to probably renumber that as well. Okay, so 21st in the CJ. Okay, so there's the creditors journal at the top. Okay, and 21st, and the amount there is 35,000. Okay, so the amount I'm showing again, the amount is 35,000. Now, if we renumbered that to 98, then the next number will be 99. So that's how we got that. 21st, Droop Shops is the creditor, CJ1 35,000, and that was for equipment. So I'm putting it in the equipment column. Okay, so there's the 35,000 and the 35,000. Okay, this amount must be equal to the first column. This is your main column. In your journal, like this is the main column and the main column in each journal. Okay, so that was on the 21st. There's another transaction on the 21st. Receive invoice from Green Wholesalers for an amount of 25,000 Rand. 25 from Green Wholesalers. Who's Green Wholesalers? Also a creditor of yours. Receive an invoice from them. Now, if you buy from them, they give you an invoice to show you what you bought. For an amount of 25,000, 21,000 of this was trading inventory, and the rest was for a printer for Mr. Geek's daughter. Now, if it's for his daughter, that will be drawings. That will be drawings. Okay, so I receive an invoice, 169, but don't let that confuse you. Remember, we renumber our invoices, so just have a look at what is your previous number, then renumber it. 25,000 and 21 of that was trading inventory. Okay, so it's again in the CJ. So, okay, it's again in the CJ. So there, on the same day, the previous one was number 99, this one number 100, green traders, CJ, number 2, 25,000, 21 of that was trading inventory, and the last 4,000 was drawings. These two amounts must be equal, or that not be equal, that must be added to get to the 25,000 Rand. Okay, and then on the 25th, buy trading inventory from macro shops and pay by check. Okay, so this is a CPJ transaction, 14,250, and pay by check from macro shops. So I go there, the previous check counterfoil was number 100, so this one will be number 101. 25th, green wholesalers, or sorry, the first one was number 100, this one is 101. On the 25th, you buy from macro shops, okay, and the amount is 14,520, and that was trading inventory that we bought, so we put it in that column. Okay, so then lastly, pay 20% of that outstanding amount via internet. Okay, so it's via internet, so it's bank statement, okay, to green wholesalers. Okay, pay 20% of the outstanding amount. So right, so green wholesalers, so let's take a look. How much did we owe green wholesalers? 11,200, okay, from the opening balance. Okay, let's see where we see green wholesalers again. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing over there. Okay, so there is 169 from green wholesalers for an amount of 25,000. So I add the 25,000 Rand, okay, because we bought it, right, from them. So it doesn't matter if some of it was drawings, we owed the full amount. So 11,200, so we're on 36,200, and now of this 36,200 we must pay 20% of that. Okay, so if it was 10% of that, it would have been 3,620 times 2. So that will be an amount of 7,240. Okay, 7,240. Okay, so that is 20% of the amount that we are going to pay now. So we're paying it to green wholesalers. C2 is, he is the creditor number C2, 7240, and we are paying back the creditor, so we're putting it in the creditors control column. The last thing that we have to do to finalize the journals, we add everything up in this journal to get that. We add everything up in every column to get to the bottom amounts, 4,035.28, and the same with the 4,000 here. That bank column adds up to the 42,260. That one is only the one amount, and that creditors control account is column adds up to 27,740. Alright, so that's the three journals on page 29 and 30 in your books.